once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, simple as can be, we're going to make some fantastic fried chicken wings with a beautiful, sticky, hot, sweet and sour sauce. It takes no time at all. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Let's jump in and take a look at these ingredients. So here's our chicken wings. I've got 10 pieces, and for them 10 pieces we're going to use this dry rub, which is 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon celery salt, and in the center there's quarter or half a teaspoon of nutmeg, which I think gives it a nice flavor. I think that's a beautiful little combination. We're going to add some salt and pepper to this as well. And then for our sticky sauce, we're going to go equal parts here, ketchup, hot sauce, and again with the hot sauce you can get a really hot one or something a bit more mild. That's actually piping hot. That's a nice habanero, but you could be using like a sriracha or something slightly more mild. Brown sugar and vinegar. That there is half a cup of each, equal parts. This is very, very easy and they're delicious. Okay, so we've got our mixing bowl here with our wings in. Try and get them nice and dry. You don't want them too wet, because we're going to add, first of all, some salt, some black pepper, and then our dry rub spices. Let's just take a look at them once more. So we've got chili powder, garlic powder, celery salt, and that little bit of nutmeg. Let's get those on there. Let's get that in there. Just going to give these a little mix around, and then we're going to get to the cooker and we're going to fry these off just with a little bit of oil, and then make a really simple sticky sauce for them. Now if you wanted, you could stick them overnight in the refrigerator, but yeah, I've no time today. We're going to go straight in to the cooker. So we've got our pan here. I've got a little bit of oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil, but you could be using something else if you wanted. Simply on a medium heat, we're going to get these guys in. I'm going to cook them for about, I suppose, 4 minutes aside. So 7 or 8 minutes. And they're going to be cooked beautifully. Turn them often. Try and keep it nice and even. See you in about 7 or 8 minutes. Okay, so they're done beautifully. Let's just get them out. Okay, with the heat on and keeping all these lovely juices and chicken bits in there, we're now going to add to that vinegar, the hot sauce, the ketchup, and the sugar. And keeping it low, we're going to combine this together just for about 2 minutes. We want that sugar to dissolve in all those lovely, lovely flavours. Okay, that's wonderful. That's a really lovely sticky sauce that we've got there. Really, really nice. Hot, sweet and sour. It's all in there. So what we do is we grab our wings, we reintroduce them, and again with the heat on, let's just go for 2 more minutes, coating them in this lovely sticky sauce. Off goes the heat, and we are done. They are really delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of chicken wing love.